If you've been trying to make money online but it feels like nothing ever works, this video is for you. Maybe you've watched a ton of videos, tried a few ideas, followed some online gurus but still haven't seen results. I get it, and I've been there too. So today, let's talk about the real secrets to making money online, because the truth is, it's not about luck or fancy tricks. It's about something much deeper that most people never realize. And when you understand it, everything changes. Now, here is something crazy. Did you know that over 90% of people who try to make money online actually fail? Not because making money online doesn't work, but because they are focusing on the wrong things. They want quick results. They jump from one shiny idea to another. And when they don't see success fast, they give up. But if you're tired of wasting time and you're ready to finally learn what really works, stay with me till the end, because I'm going to break it down for you in the simplest, most honest way possible. So let's talk about what is really happening. Everywhere you look, you see people promising that you can make $500 in a day or $1,000 in a week just by clicking a few buttons. And I know you've probably seen those videos or ads. But here is the truth no one likes to say out loud. Those claims are only half true. Yes, you can make money online. People do it every day, but not overnight and not without effort. Making money online is real, but it's not magic. It takes time, consistency, and learning the right skills. That's what separates those who win from those who quit. Now, let me show you a few real and beginner-friendly ways people are earning money online without scams or fake promises. Some people start with email-based jobs, and companies like MailerLite, QuickMail, or Inksub sometimes hire people to help manage emails, reply to messages, or handle inbox support. It's not fancy, but it's legit and flexible. Others do typing or transcription jobs on platforms like Go Transcript or Wing Assist, and you basically type audio into text and get paid for your time. It's great if you like simple work and want something flexible. And then there are people who create digital products, things like ebooks, printables, guides, or templates that solve a problem for others. And you can sell them on websites like Seller, Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or even Barnes and Noble Press. So once you create them, they can keep earning money for you even while you sleep. But here is the truth that most people miss. None of these methods will work unless you understand the secret behind them. And this is it: consistency, skill growth, and understanding your audience. That's the formula. Now, let me explain it in a simple way. Consistency means showing up even when it feels slow. Just keep doing that one thing, replying to emails, posting your products, improving your work, even when nobody seems to notice, because every effort adds up quietly in the background. Skill growth means always learning and getting better. Maybe your first product doesn't sell or your first job pays little. That's okay. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and your income grows naturally. And understanding your audience means knowing who you're helping. You can't sell something people don't care about. You need to listen, find out what they struggle with, what questions they ask, what problems they want solved, and give them a solution. That's what real success online looks like. Let me tell you a quick story. I once saw someone who started with a small digital guide. It didn't look perfect. They sold just a few copies at first. And most people in that situation would have quit, but they didn't. They improved it, added more value, and shared it again and again. After 2 months, that same little guide became their main source of income. Nothing magical, just patience, effort, and understanding what people needed. So if you've been asking yourself, how can I make money online? Here's the truth. It's not about finding the next new trick. It's about picking one real method that fits you and then sticking with it until it works. Whether that is an email job, typing work, or digital product, stay patient, keep improving, and pay attention to your audience. That's the real secret that no one wants to tell you. And I want you to remember this: Making money online is not about luck, it's about showing up, learning daily, and giving real value to others. The moment you stop chasing shortcuts and start focusing on real value, you will start seeing results that actually last. Now, before you go, I would love to hear from you. Which of these online methods do you feel suits you best? Email jobs, typing jobs, or creating digital products? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who is trying to figure out how to make money online, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, you don't need luck, you just need consistency, growth, and purpose. That's the real secret to making money online.